Writing LaTeX from scratch can be cumbersome, and so today I'll teach you how you can automatically convert documents like this and like this into LaTeX code in seconds. And I'll do this using this app, Underleaf AI. Just jumping right into it, let me take that typewritten document I just showed you, and you can see it has colors, it has images, equations, page numbers, equation numbers, etc. Let's see how well Underleaf can convert this document. So let me click Convert with LaTeX. It'll prepare for a second and start thinking, and then generate code. And yeah, after a few seconds, it starts generating the code. You can see it's extracted an image, which is presumably this one right here, which is super cool. And it'll inject it right into the document. We'll take a look at the compiled PDF once this is done generating. We'll give it a sec. And there we are. It's completed the document. Let's go ahead and preview it. You can see it's generating the preview. And there it is. It's compiled with no issues. And actually scrolling in, I can see it's maintained the colors, maintained the equations, which is awesome, as well as extracted the image. If we go back here, we can see it's actually referring to the image in this source code, which is awesome. And then I could actually download the image right there at the bottom. And then scrolling down, I can see it's maintained the page number and equation number, as well as kept this equation pixel perfect, which is amazing. So let's go ahead and see if we could continue editing this in Overleaf. So if I click the Open in Overleaf button, it'll actually take my source and the image right into Overleaf, and I can continue writing here. So yeah, that's a super quick demo of Underleaf AI. Check it out. It's free to use, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much.